Rebekah Guajardo. I'm with Workforce Solutions Alamo. I'm actually a representative of our business services team. So our role within the business services at Workforce Solutions is to bridge that gap between employers and job seekers in the San Antonio area. So we are responsible for creating those relationships with employers in Bexar County as well as the surrounding counties, and posting those jobs in Work in Texas for employers. So Work in Texas is our job search database. It's sort of like Indeed or Monster, but it is free of charge for the employers that we partner with. You would be connecting with us to kind of let us know what kind of positions your company is hiring for. We would assist you with creating those job postings in Work in Texas and then matching qualified job seekers to your job postings. You can add certain individuals to your account to kind of help manage the influx of those applications. Another service that we have is having you guys participate in our job fairs. So this year and within the past couple years, we've had to kind of move over to a virtual version of our job fairs. We use a platform called Premier Virtual where you can go in and create a booth and then post your positions in there, and you can chat with different job seekers on the day of the event and review their resumes. We also organize bigger regional job fairs. Many of you might be familiar with the Hiring Red, White, and You. It happens every November at the Freeman Coliseum, and it's the biggest job fair that we have all year. So these are just different ways that we are connecting with employers in the area to help you guys recruit for any of your vacancies. So again, we're posting those job postings in Work in Texas. We're allowing you to enter our centers. We have 5 centers around San Antonio: Marbach Center, East Houston Center, South Flores, Walsham, and Data Point. So we're all over. You're welcome to come in and recruit out of any of our centers. You would just need to plan that event with one of our representatives, and then you would be able to come in and speak with any of the job seekers that come in and utilize our facilities. We also have different partnerships like apprenticeships, different programs that you may be eligible for. I think we will get to those on one of these slides. Just a little bit about Work in Texas. Again, it is our job search database. You would be connecting with one of our representatives to post those positions. Again, it is free of charge for you. And within the past year, our business service department has transitioned over to a sector-based model. So we're really focusing on high growth, high wage jobs that we see in the IT, the healthcare, the finance, the manufacturing, and the construction industries, along with education and hospitality. So we're really focusing on connecting with these employers to try and create a talent pipeline for those high growth, high wage jobs for our job seekers. And in doing so, we've created different business liaisons to kind of lead these industries. So I, for example, work with the IT, finance, and education industries to kind of make those connections with the employers and then help them fill those positions also while helping job seekers get into those positions. We can also assist you guys with labor market information, anything that you may need to kind of visualize the projected growth of your company. That is another service that we can provide you. We can also assist you with cost analysis, so kind of getting a visualization of what it takes to onboard a job seeker at this time, and then kind of maybe where your wages fall in the community. You also may be eligible for work opportunity tax credits. So a lot of our programs that we assist our job seekers with, a lot of the enrollment criteria is identifying those that may have barriers that can prevent them from being successful. And by taking on these job seekers, you may be able to qualify for our work opportunity tax credit. Some other services that we can provide along with the workforce opportunity tax credit is on-the-job training, skills development fund, which would be training your incumbent workers. On-the-job training and work experience is more entry level, and then the SDF funds would be a little bit higher level, training those incumbent workers. And lastly, another service that you may qualify for would be fidelity bonding. So a lot of our job seekers that come in and are enrolled into our services do have a criminal background. So you may be qualified for compensation by bringing on these individuals with that background. Some resources here, it's on the packet that you guys have that has the copy of this PowerPoint. But these are our websites if you ever just want to take a look at them. And that's all I have. Thank you guys.